Some people may have some things to share with Uno, see, because Mr. Shebada come out and I say the officer them hold on pan the lion man. Remember me share a video with Uno before that one year and show Uno say some whole heap of officer did round him. Me don't know why it look like say the situation with him and him girlfriend cause that I was just a regular, you know what I mean, check them a check up on him because you know say from a youth a drive a Mark X or him a drive a Crown is a problem when it come to the officer them have to come dig you up certain way. You see it? So me are gonna make you hear what Shebada have to say about him because him make it bad for himself also, you know, and Shebada go explain also, so me I go make you hear that. Some people, me see that one as breaking news. The person where them say unalive Naya seen right now, the officer them take with him 3 points. Right now, he's no longer among the land of the living. I mean, I go share that with Uno because it's a source where me deem credible, me hear it from. I know me see it pop up. So me have to share with Uno also, right? And Rosealee, you know, people, Rosealee and our baby father at it. Right now, Rosealee have the viral sound them. And right now, Rosealee just create a next viral sound. And I'm going to share that with Uno. You know why I sit with people. See? And Roger and Shay come to blame them and Rosealee. You see me I say? Because you are going. She expose blame them and blame them come for her. So me are gonna make you hear what she and Roger have to say in response. See? So we're gonna kick it off with people, but maybe we add other things while you know what I mean sharing this with you know. Maybe add other things to it. So me could just kick it off and get in it right now.
What to do with me? I'm moderator, mute them people out of my comments. Where you tell me blame them for?
Everybody should go for. Everybody should wait name the L0CK there. See a blood clot there.
If Ricardo Plurite want for class, tell Ricardo Plurite for class, no blood clot. Tell Ricardo for go look about Sheena.
How name so?
Him mother.
Who for mother?
Blame them.
Blame them go suck your mama, blame them. Blame them you want yam Jayden bottom. Blood clot. Blame them go suck your mama to blood.
But that not have nothing to do with me. Any class them want class. Oh.
Babylon City Clark, if you type again over here, so Babylon City Clark, why you not blood clot? Stop it.
Oh.
Before me have to eat your blood clot. Fabulous City Clark, if you're bad, do it again. If you're bad, do it again. Shake for class or blood clot. Cause bad to bad, she look good. She brown and punga. Rose is a night crawler. Rose are some late 3-4 blood clot. Clock, you know, say that is a vampire. The only thing we need a wood steak for Ramar and a clot or some holy water. I'm moving a blood clot and go. I don't know, go and move on a blood clot. You think I want to like me? When the girl every day over here live, when she not go for this, she go for that. She pay all people for come cuss people.
Exactly.
That's the level I bring down. She want try bring down people. Rose figure bring down her home well low.
Everywhere you look, she stink up the place.
Yeah, the whole of we need God over here. All you need God to call you there. All you need God to call you there. A lot this morning, I watch a screen recorder and yesterday me say she had done with. And I boom way up. She never know a fair time. A cricket where I play a girl lick me for 4 o'clock for 6. And when I feel like cricket not enough, I got baseball. Oh, me run on you, bitch. Come team, work together. Blood clot. Work together, mom, hush, man. But I have to cuss the bitch because she a cuss my woman. And she live pa my woman like she want turn the grumpy old troll in my woman pussy.
She love on that girl pussy, you see? And she don't remember say, Rosealee, the way you
never see a woman can watch smarty clit, so yet
the way you go under Rosealee pussy. Nobody
you watch girl clit. You could have a pretty pussy.
I can't remember about under Pierre one.
Big and think, no blood clot and swatty. Big back, big back. Big back, big back. Big back, big
that you might need that God inside for you.
From when I say niggas cuss Rosealee, you don't know Rosealee. From when I say niggas cuss Rosealee, you don't know Rosealee are crosses. I never see that man there cuss Smaddy yet.
Exactly.
I never see that man there cuss Smaddy yet. And from when I see that man there cuss Rosealee, you don't know, so Rosealee is the crosses of TikTok. She have one big definition of crosses. Remember, she never grow good because she grow see her mama suck at this so and she over here up on the next side of the bed. Her mama could all put her ground and suck the her head. So she couldn't know better. Remember, it's a house a prop in a bitch. You, your mama and your sister them just a clean up the them. Move your house a porn blood clot and go suck your mama. And go worry about your mama where them on the phone them. You come over here argue with people. Go argue with your household. Blood clot. Go argue with the generation curse will drop by your big old blood clot. Hey girl, and make nobody make your mama birthday like that lady there on the screen.
You
the break off the black them off of your neck back. Remember me know you. The black them in your neck back go peer them off will look like what? And then if you go peer off and stop arguing with people. I make them stretch your neck so the ump will come out at the back of your neck. Blood clot. You know, come over here and tell people don't say it. All you lady Fabulosity Clark, don't come tell nobody over here so what you do, you know. Oh,
no, I must see them, but them not go host them.
No, you over there hear the bitcher class, me and my woman every day. Oh.
What them not go host them own alive? What them not go host no own alive?
People don't own a blood clot show, man.
Yeah?
What? What? We say now cook? See the gate there. No, I'm not allowed. I'm see. You now cook? See the gate there. Guys, when I enter the ranking yet, you know. You're not cooking? See the gate there? Where you pass the gate?
People, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section, seeing because this been going on for the longest while since Rose up on TikTok. You know what I mean? A man have to know say yo, him or the housewife. No. You see me I say him have to go do the cooking and the cleaning maybe and the washing because you don't know say TikTok time consuming, and once Rosealee do her thing on TikTok, you have to just take care of the something them. You know what I mean? Big woman thing. And more asking a question to people. In your family, if you grew up with mother and father, you don't have to grow up with them still. But if your father alive right through and your mother alive right through when you grew up, see who cook the best? Because them have it to say Jamaican man them run off the thing different. You see me? Tell me in the comment section. Right? So this is Rosealee new sound and our people. You know and cook? Go through the alright, we go watch some more people.
They will never eat if I not cook. I mean I cook. The gate is there. Lock it so nobody can enter. I'm gonna boil my ramen. Guys, we don't enter the ranking yet. But don't say nasty jobbers.
I try to see him gone, I'm just say what.
Still that very sweet and music with a really soul.
You know what I mean? So pumpkin rice octopus. You know that? Octopus.
Come back from fuck.
You ever eat octopus yet? But I never eat octopus. Curry rice octopus. Octopus?
Boy, octopus soup over next door. But me never know different kind
I feel like some stroupies.
Listen, but I'm so.
Oh, they don't share food because they want stroupies eat.
Oh, they be a stroupies on it.
Oxstar. Or if you can't eat the octopus, you know my favorite.
Look at man, go have a cooking with jets. Cooking with jets.
Guys, you know they're gonna one life goal, yeah.
So I'm gonna have a cooking with jets.
Jets, me no love the background sitting, you know. Me no love me and you there, me no like that. I go cook sardine and rice.
No, man, the background music with you, no. But I know background music with you. Yeah? The skill argument, you know, fucking out that manners.
Me don't want to me don't want to get spokesperson for the year. What kind of good member should you have? You know you've been a spokesman. Go cook some sardine and rice. No, been a spokesman for the universe.
You're full of blood clot argument.
The spokesman for the year I want to go barbz. You know barbz, I don't want to enter the ranking yet. I have to enter the rank, I don't talk. I'm in the couples channel. I know the couple, oh, this I send request. All of them people who send request, I rank place when the blood clot come. Nobody can reach out and put me in a ranking. I don't want a couple channel miss me, I look something going in a ranking. Oh, GX! Clap, let's remember something. White shoes.
Yeah, more
GX! It's on fast, you know. Just look at body food. You're hungry. Yeah, you're gonna do it now.
Good fear from
No, sir.
I'm gonna make it chat.
You say me have a put this shit to blood clot or gas swing take me up. Listen, say me gas up.
Because it charge up on phone.
So people, when you ever eat that something that Rosealee I say she want eat the actor something, when you ever eat that, enough people say them not try, you know. But me I telling you people, I one of the best thing to eat, especially for the man them. You see that and the conch, if your boy is soup with it, or cook it on curry or anything, remember me tell you say a straight round the back that gone. You see me? Remember, all it good for the woman them too. Because me I tell you say if you and your woman drink a soup with the two of them, that and the conch, me I tell you say you good as leave one. What more I say you know? The woman good as want you to come give her whatever. You know what I mean? You know have to beg her. To me I tell you say them something they work. You see me? Half of these jack man, me I tell you that. Straight up. You see it. So my people we just watch maybe a minute more. And then we are going to go over to the next. Because that one is a quick and fast one me I share with you know. You see it?
No, moment to buy me. I'm trying to sell him ton of money there. Yeah, sell him.
You plug your say what? No, sir.
Make the boat suck you out and run. You give me a say, but you're living, Jayden. And now you say you get charged. So them just see the crap by your arrow back. But Jayden, what a way you come back and say this now have nothing to do with Fabbi. And I'm Fabbi doing this. But Jayden, you know, she said them can lock you up and make you suck in a prison. And then for turn the little shape from back where you run. Because see how they come through your forehead. You know, she said that for reach Jayden. Come here. Then if the police them not lock you up, now come down by you for Fabbi. Then you have traffic things. Then here boy you have traffic things. Yeah? Where you have the yard buy gun. Them catch gun by you, illegal firearm in the car. So when you said this now have nothing to do with Fabbi, the beat up was a prank. And the beat up just happened and I say no, I'm going to turn the beat up in our business. We just want to get it straight, Jayden, because you see, you know, he's a little devil ass whip. You're the devil's seed. You're the devil baby. You suck the devil's breast. You know, you drink the devil's milk. So when you say this now have nothing to do with Fabbi, me I wonder if people obey you from your inner your mother all till you come out and not even know where you are. Me just wonder because someone half with you, brother. Someone half with you. No, I'm a yard cut, good as. I'm a yard cut. I weird the road today, low don't. I weird the road today. Yeah. Me just watch, you know, work nothing pan Jayden. You see Jayden what this skill is dirty life, it give him tunnel vision. So me just want to know because these are the things that you do, Jayden, and when we speak about it, people say, oh, me a class you, and me a disrespect, and it's not, they not understand. Me can't reason with dunce people, so me just not bother pay them no mind. That's why I tell the whole house, say me not liar to nobody, because I'm not too dunce, man. I'm not too dunce. So when me take back to when me I try to say, if abuse the thing that the police clamp down by you for, you know why them for lock you up? And sometimes I try to know it hurt me for you. But I want to tell you some deep suck out, you see. You know why them for lock you up? Everything when you come on social media with, every single thing when you come on social media with, you say Fabbi even never report you because I don't want to say Fabbi did. You see the mere fact when you come on social media with no violence, people are going to find a reason because you're not popular. I'm going to find a reason. You know what is so funny? Because Jayden one classy, but I realize it's not me, Bertio. Jayden, I listen to from a fridge shop, I want classy and nastiness. I want to tell you nothing's a suck out. You get what I say? Everything on the come on social media with, every single thing, they for lock you up and dash for the key. They for dash for the key. What happened in the house? Still in the house. Everything on the bring on social media because of our germs. You chat too much. I don't know what you are, TJ, which one I want to chat so. But the two on the chat like leaving on the throat. When I live on a life for social media don't care about you now. Call the whole of social media now for come help you sit down. A little bit and dance. You know what? Dirty careless people like Uno love to talk about people and disrespect Uno. We don't live a dirty, nasty, careless life like Rosealee and her mama. And then Uno come down and when the world come down for Uno say people are disrespect. Nobody not disrespect Uno. Uno dog shit, man. Uno dog shit. Something happen in the house, make it stay in the house. Something happen in your family, keep it in your family. Why, Jayden? Let me tell you something, Jayden. Be wise, be strong, you have good youth. Everybody sit down. When me hear Tripple, when me hear sub batting, yam shit, Tripple will run off a foreign. When me hear Tripple, I say, you think them lock him up because in their number one, you go on like your handicap when you're ready. You go on like your handicap when you're ready. I mean, I tell people this. Say you're a demon. People don't believe that Tripple is a demon. Tripple a demon. Dirty germs. A demon. That dog shit of a woman. She a demon. Women say, you know, the inner Fabbi and the little you life and relationship. If them a fall apart, you put them together. You are made broken pieces like your Holy Spirit. You dirty girl Tripple. So happy Tripple. You just see something happen and the only thing you could have come on the collecting comes out about, you think them lock him up because him the number one. You should have shame your stinking self. You should have shame. You should have shame yourself. He's a dog shit. See the fruit of your labor, yeah? This is the fruit of your labor. You can't touch nothing and it prosper. See the fruit of your labor here. Why you never put one of your daughter with Fabbi? Since I told them you have, and put one with Jayden. Of course she was mocking him. And it's a wicked thing. And I'm glad I'm not today me I talk about this. I'm glad me I talk about it from inception. When I say this lady is a big dirty stinking careless lady to be fostering these two. You understand me? Look on Fabbi and look on Jayden. Let the people them go back to school and make something of themselves. Educate them as something know that. That's why you people need to graduate in other shows there. He's a dog shit. You are a dog shit. Man, good as Sparkle one. Sparks one. But one woman, when it comes to gender, if it was a man do this, we need to say, you see that boy, they always in a...
As we always say in our video them, my people, you see when it come to these people on social media, me not invested myself in with them I go on with. Me just take it as entertainment. Me not cuss nobody over where them do and this and that when it come to these persons, cause enough of them put on a show. You see me on TikTok, including Miss Tripple herself. So Shebada cuss out Miss Tripple, more to do that because we don't know what them talk about. Cause all of them have each other number. As them say, right? So me don't know what go on still, but here what go on now. You see when they come to the officer, them pull up on him, that cause for concern. You understand me? I say because as Shebada say, Fab now if you call the officers them, you know, but based on them activities on the internet and some things with them come on a show. You know what I mean? The officer them we pull up to find out what really are going. You see me? So right now, here Shebada say them all lamp on him. Me don't know if 100% truth, but we are gonna watch some more and see what him say, and we are gonna keep our ears to the streets and hear if I true them all lamp on him or not.
People in business, I know I have nothing to say, but she is a solid girl do it. Who don't want to say nothing, and she went on somebody's live and she was mocking the situation. She was mocking Jayden, and it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. You should be ashamed. But I always tell you, that's why none of you can make me feel bad for the app because I don't like you. Remember me not like you. Remember me never come here so to keep loyalty with none of you. So guess what? It's because I don't want to be perfidious to anyone. I don't befriend anybody and I don't allow any of you guys to befriend me. I stay in my own lane because when I dog shit, when I obey walk on crosses, when I demon, when I fallen angels, when I eat on a nastiness. For sure, me eat on a set of drunk crow, one of the worst set of Jamaicans being public, one of the worst set of Jamaicans being public. One of that shit, you know. When you quick for sell a girl to a worthless boy, then push out on a data upon some dirty cocky. Tripple has 2 girl kids. Give Fabian one and give Jayden one. Yeah. Out of order. I say, when me get the stinking girl, when me get the stinking dirty woman, and mark the situation, me have to say, a dog shit this in a boy, me I tell you, gotta come in. Gotta come one way or another. She not side with none of them. Me tell you, say me eat on my life. Shut up. What's say? So you think them lock him up for number one in the TikTok police now, TikTok boss now. They gonna charge him whole heap of money. Cause they gonna want some way make on TikTok. They are what doing what? We're not smart as people, so we can't reason with Uno. It's when Tripple and them sit up on the live and I want about Jayden. What are they doing? They are instigating. They are hinting the cops to collect money from Jayden them. You guys don't understand. When I think people don't know about cheap psychology, they are doing it. They want to mash up Jayden by any means necessary. Yeah, they will charge him whole heap of money because them see make whole heap of money. Yeah, remind them that the youth make money. What if these policemen never see Jayden? Don't even know if Jayden make $1. Don't even care if he does. You understand me? What if them figure out and say, is that's what the youth are going? What if them people that we call informer message given in a real informer them informer. Any how it had been them and you said them something about them, it would have sit well with them. But no, through them said, boy, they must say, but that's not nothing. What's about that?
Of the Manchester Police Division, where the police have identified a man who was fatally taken out in a hail of bullets by them, by the way, during an armed confrontation in Downs Manchester. It is said that knockings and clappings took place early Wednesday. So the deceased man is presently on your screen, and he has since been identified as Romain Thompson, but them call him Rumstein. Now it is said that Rumstein is believed to be the man who pumped those fatals in at least 2 persons, to include social media influencer, the TikToker, with them called Xavier Foga, but them more know him in the streets as Naya Gang. You remember say them slap with a youth there sometime in early December last year whilst he was on a TikTok live along Pantan Lane in Wolaba, St. Catherine. It is said that the criminal element Romain Thompson, aka Rumstein, was also a suspect in the August 5th, 2023 fatal knockings and clappings of a police constable identified as Justin Martin at a bar in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. He was also a suspect in other gun-related crimes in the St. Catherine South Police Division. So according to the police, a team was dispatched to Downs in search of the criminal suspect shortly after 4 a.m. The team reportedly went to an area, and upon reaching the target premises, they were fired upon by the criminal element. It is said that Officer Yeman Pican team took evasive action, returned the gun, and of course the knockings and clappings go on for a little while, but after the smoke was clear and the battle was won, after the smoke subsided, you don't know, and everything get calm again, the police go check the area and find out say the boy get clapped away. Yeah man,